is the last night on the road. By morning we'll be home. Yeah. And though I've been surrounded by my friends, without you I'm alone. Yeah. And I can't wait to see you, to touch your tender breast and feel you kiss me down my chest, baby. I can't wait to hug you, feel you wrapped around my love, from below and to the above. Yeah. Oh baby, it's so nice to have a love like yours waiting for me. I'm coming home to you, baby, coming home. Close to you is where I belong. Oh, oh, oh.
Hello.
Hi, baby.
Oh, how baby, how you doing?
I'm doing fine since I've heard your lovely voice.
Well, baby, where are you?
I'm only 12 hours away, and I'll be home soon.
27 cities in 30 days. My mind is still on you. Can't help thinking about my baby. I miss the way you touch me in the morning, the sexy things we do. You, to have a chance